Hi guys, I'm Sajjad. Welcome to this video. Okay guys, in our home we have some flowers on the rooftop that are very beautiful. One day my father said to me, "Hey Sajjad, you should take some picture of the flower." I told myself it is a very good idea. So I went to the rooftop and took some wonderful photos. Before we start the video, be sure to subscribe my channel and like this video. Don't forget to leave a comment. Let's go. Okay guys, what do you think about my photos? Good or not? But my photos, it's very good. It's not bad, it's very good. You can see my photos on the Unsplash, my Unsplash account in the description. Please visit my other social media as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. I see you soon in the next video. Goodbye.